Embrace your hybrid identity, global Origin-SSQ, resilient Self-EEQ, creative Being-AIQ. Have you ever wondered how your unique heritage shapes your entire worldview? My journey of self-discovery is deeply rooted in a rich tapestry of origins, each thread weaving a unique perspective on identity. Culture is truer than chromosomes. It is a living grammar of belonging stitched from songs, meals, insults, and the ritual timbre of everyday speech, the places where your heart learns to keep time. DNA tests can whisper ancestral roots, but they cannot name the towns where you first felt at home, the idioms that shaped your irony, or the small cults of taste and ritual you inherit and fiercely defend until they ossify into nationalism or fanaticism. My life was different, a tapestry of tongues and rites rather than a single, secure lineage. Childhood offered no single half, so identity became an act of choice, not an entitlement. Psychologists name their identity crisis and note that for some transnationals, prolonged ambiguity can produce deep distress and a fragile sense of self, phenomena that sometimes resemble clinical identity disturbance and require careful, professional attention. Simple practical tests ask yourself, where to go for home? Do I like it? Do I go there because I was born there? Where do I like to go and feel home? My exit strategy was methodical, ruthless self-awareness, deliberate selection, and practiced fluidity, treating identity as a living project I design rather than an edict I inherit. I chose practices that honored each strand without surrendering agency. I narrated my memories, reframed inherited scripts, cultivated rituals that affirmed voice, and refused the lie that origin must dictate allegiance. In short, belonging can be sculpted, it need not be a cage. The Berbers, or Amazi, are the indigenous people of North Africa, with a history spanning over 12,000 years from Egypt to Morocco, with a female DNA in the ancestry, the fraction of Mountain's Atlas. Their culture is rich in traditional crafts like weaving, pottery, and jewelry, often incorporating symbolic designs reflecting their beliefs and connection to the land. From Anatolian steppes and Byzantine crossroads rose Ottoman origins, a tapestry of caravan routes, minarets, and marble, where Turkic horsemen, Sufi poets, and merchant metal braided with Byzantine, Persian, and Arab threads. Empire-making whispered in calligraphy, spice, and domes, a living palimpsest of commerce, devotion, cosmopolitan artistry, and enduring memory. French culture, a blend of Celtic, Greco-Roman, and Germanic influences, has been a global center of high culture since the 17th century, particularly in Paris. Spread by colonization mostly, French ethnicity targeted identity and culture and changed its colonized forever. Traditions emphasize the enjoyment of food, with cuisine codified by Auguste Escoffier, and strong family values alongside a sense of national identity. Sicily's culture is a vibrant mosaic of Greek, Roman, Byzantine, Arab, Norman, and Spanish influences, a true crossroads of civilizations in the Mediterranean. Its rich history is evident in its architecture, cuisine, and art, symbolized by the Trinacria, representing the island's three capes. These diverse roots, Berber, French, and Sicilian, are not just geographical markers. They are foundational elements shaping my personal narrative. This intricate blend of cultures has fostered what I call deprived resilience, the ability to thrive despite a difficult upbringing marked by loss. Overcoming a melting pot origins can cultivate excellence, leading to heightened empathy, adaptability, and a strong sense of self-reliance. This unique perspective allows for a deeper understanding of the world, transforming challenges into strengths. Philosophical lenses like deconstructionism, pioneered by Jacques Derrida, challenge the notion of fixed meanings and binary oppositions. It posits that meaning is fluid and context-dependent, constantly shifting and evolving. Post-structuralism further emphasizes that identity is not a stable, inherent entity, but a construct shaped by language, power relations, and social practices. Think of Michel Foucault's exploration of how power and knowledge intersect to shape who we are. Applying these ideas to my heritage means recognizing that my identity is not predetermined, but an ongoing process of negotiation and construction. It involves examining how historical and social forces have shaped my understanding of my different roots. This personal globalism, stemming from my diverse heritage, connects directly to the broader historical and technological cycles of globalization. Globalization, driven by reduced trade barriers and technological advancements, fosters interdependence and integration across economies and cultures. While it brings cultural exchange, it also presents challenges like homogenization and wealth inequality. My unique perspective, forged from a diverse and rich origins, allows me to navigate these complexities with a nuanced understanding. It's a testament to how personal resilience can offer a distinct lens through which to view our interconnected world. This journey of unveiling my global roots is a continuous process, reflecting how identity is perpetually shaped by history, philosophy, and personal experience. It's a reminder that our origins, no matter how complex, are powerful sources of strength and unique insight. Subscribe to explore a diverse global approach, rich with flavors and infinite adventures. Like and comment, it makes a great difference to my work. Bye for now.